Our heels on the nice and easy with reaching your arms back behind you. Bend your knees a bit more. Now tilt the pelvis. Here neutral, you tilt the pelvis back. Keep the chest lifted. Keep this pelvic tilt. Now slide one leg out. Contract your abdominal harder. Bring the leg back in. Now slide your other leg out. Inhale. Exhale. Squeeze your abs even more to bring in. Inhale and exhale. In and out. In and out. In and out. One more time on each side. And last time here. Now you're going to keep your knee bent. Come on up. Place your hand behind your head. Elbow out wide. So I'm just giving you option. If this coming up variation is too much, go back to the first variation, okay? So anyone that new to this, you may just listen to your body here. Take a breath in. Now exhale, tilt the pelvis back. All hinge back, straight back, but small amount if you cannot flex your lumbar spine. Now keep this small amount of flexion in the lumbar, straighten one leg. Inhale, exhale, pull back. Inhale, straighten your other leg. Exhale, squeeze it in deeper. Inhale, lengthen the leg. Exhale, pull it in. Breathe in and out. In and out. In and out. One more next side. In and out. Last one. In and out. And you're going to flex forward. And you stack the spine and come over. So from there, we're going to add the rotations of your thoracic spine and work more your obliques. So your leg position is exactly the same. Hand behind your head, exactly the same as before. Take a breath in, lengthen to the spine. Exhale, tilt the pelvis, go back just a tiny bit behind the sit bone. Now from here, you're going to straighten your left leg out. Rotate your chest to your right. Pulling your right foot in closer to you. Squeeze your abs. And we switch sides. Slow, quality movement. Squeeze your abs. And you pull the heel in toward you. Slide in closer to your sit bone. Inhale in between and exhale as you twist. One more set to the right and left and center and flex forward. Relax your shoulder, relax your neck and stack your spine. Come all the way up. Now we're going to get rid of one of the plates. And we put both heels on the same plate. Your leg together this time. So here, easier variation is stay with your hand support behind you and you're still tilting the pelvis back. Otherwise, hand behind your head, flex your lumbar, lifting your chest up, look straight ahead. Now heel in toward the sit bone, squeeze your abs. Inhale, straighten the leg. Exhale, pulling in. Inhale, straighten the leg. Exhale, pulling in. Now we're going to add a little bit more. Now as your leg go out, you lean back a bit more. And as you exhale, you're squeezing everything in together. Inhale. Exhale, flex. Inhale, lengthen out a bit. Exhale, flex. 3 more times. If you cannot flex your lower back, then just keep hinging, but very small range. Last one. And stretch forward. We move into bridge. So we're going to position the plate side by side and you lie down, put your heels on it, on the back and prepare for the bridge. So here I'm going to the side, lying down on the back, palm facing down, reaching your arm long, widen the collarbone. ceiling. Bring your heel in closer toward the sit bones. Lift the toes up so you're pushing with your heel. Take a breath in, lengthen through your spine. Breathe out, tilt the pelvis back, lengthen the lower back, engage your glute, lift your hip up, 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 up to the bridge. Shoulder, hip, knees in one continuous line. Inhale to stay. Exhale, rolling down through your spine. If you cannot articulate through your lower back, because whatever reason, just hinge up, contract the glute, and hinge back down, release your glute. Otherwise, tilt the pelvis, articulate from your tail to lift your hip up, 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 up. Inhale to stay, exhale to roll down. Now one last one. You are scooping up and you stay up. Glutes on, right leg slide out without dropping your hip until your right glute contract. Pull it back in. Repeat, right leg extend, pull it back in. Continue. This is 3, we go for 5. 2 more times. Keep your hip lifted. The left leg stay perfectly still. Now we switch leg. Pick up your hips, level, slide the left leg out, slide back in. Slide out, inhale, exhale, slide back in. Shoulders still stabilize, arm extend long, press your palm down. One more time, left leg and back. Lift the hip up, inhale, exhale, roll down through your spine. And then you hold your knees into your chest. Gently rock side to side. To release your back. And here, roll over to your side. And we're working on the side. Okay, so lie on the side. You have the plate overhead, so that palm going to be on the plate. All in one straight line, from your finger to your toes. This hand in front of the tummy. Reaching your top leg longer so your legs are the same length, your hips stack. So here, lift both legs up, just slightly off the floor. Take a breath in, prepare, and you're going to slide the plate in, and you're crunching up. Slide the plate out. As you lengthen back down, keep the leg up, keep the leg floating in the space. And slide the plate in, crunch up, and slowly control down. And up, and control down. Now play with your balance. See if you can have this free hand on the thigh, and you crunch up, you reach this hand down towards your feet and control down and up. If you find too wobbly, you can always put your hand right back in front of your tummy. And again, up and control down. And one more time, up and control down and release. So we got to do the other side. So we'll just swing over. So the plate will be under the palm. Extend your arm out long, extend your leg back. Place this free hand in front of the tummy. Make sure your hips stack. Now reaching the top leg longer so your legs are the same length. Engage your abs, lift the leg up a little bit off the floor. Take a breath in to prepare. Exhale, slide the plate in, crunching up. And slide the plate away, lengthen down, nice and smooth. Up, exhale. Inhale down. Exhale up. Inhale down. If you have the balance, place your hand on the thigh. Flex up, reaching this hand down toward your feet. That have you flex up even further. And up. And control down. 2 more times. Up. And slide down, lengthen. One last one, up. And control down. Alright, we're going to press up. And we're going to go into the mountain climber series. So we're going to have, be on the hands and knee position. And we have the plate under our toes. Toes and ball of feet. So here, hands under the shoulders, spread your finger wide, position the wrist under the shoulders, knees slightly separate, neutral through the spine. So for this series, I know, everybody know it is a core work, a lot of hip flexor, a lot of abs. However, important part is to keep the shoulders stabilized. So think about making your neck longer. Crown of your head should be reaching forward. And the shoulders stay above your wrist. What happens to this exercise as you move your leg? The shoulders start going that way. And your neck kind of disappears. And you will put a lot of tension on the neck. So lifting your chest, pushing the floor here. Neck is long. Don't change your eye lines. There's nothing down there to look. So looking straight ahead. Now, lift both knees up. Hold here. Straighten one leg back. Bring it forward. Straighten your other leg back. Bring it forward. Keep it slow. Keep it slow. Focus on position of the shoulders, position of the neck. And press that belly button deep into your spine to support your lower back. One leg at a time. One more set. Press your knee down for just quick little rest. Stretch your wrist if you need to. So, if you find this is already challenging, stick with it. Do it another set. That was 5 sets, 10 total, alternate. So let's get back onto it. We do exactly the same thing. And we're going to pick up the pace. But when you pick up the pace, be sure that the pelvis still stay very level, very stable, and the shoulders stay exactly the same. So here, spread your finger wide, position the wrist under the shoulders, abs engaged, neck is long, lift the knees up. One leg go back. Now we start switching. Bring the knee further forward without moving your shoulder forward. Neck is long. Now pick up the pace if you have it. If you can stabilize your shoulders, squeeze the abs into the spine and breathe. 3, 2, and 1. And lower it down. And stretch your wrist. So who's up for the double legs? So take one plate out. So I have to say with 2 legs, it's harder on the back. So you don't have to go until your legs straight. You can just push back a little bit to extend the leg and focus on pulling forward. So I show you both toes, both sides going on one plate. Exactly the same move. Lifting the chest, stabilize, lifting your knee, go back and forward. Be careful because it's easier to go forward like that. So you want the shoulder above your hands. Use your exhale to pull forward. Don't have to go all the way out to straight and then sink. You want to go out and go back, right back. Okay, 5 to 8 on your own. Squeeze your legs together. Focus on keeping those shoulders
right above your hands. Looking awesome. You can feel that when you bring your knee further forward, you get more of that abdominal work. Beautiful. You guys are awesome. And rest down for a second. Okay. So if your wrist really sore, just shake it off a little bit because I want you to try at least one of the piking. And this one, okay? Just get a feel of it and then you can practice on your own when you're bored at home. Okay, so from there, knee, leg out to the straight line. Now you're going to keep your legs straight. The key is keep the legs straight and change your eye line. So you change your eye line, you look towards your knees and you go out, you lengthen back out to that plank. And you pulling in, look towards the thigh and knee and go out into that plank. Last exercise to kind of balance everything out is the extensions. So you use both plates, you on the tummy, hand on the plate, straight ahead, leg open out, hip distance apart, external rotate the leg from the thighs. Press the pubic bone down to the mat, looking down to the floor, shoulder away from your ears. Squeeze your belly. Inhale, you're going to start lifting your chest. Keep your hand very light. Lifting your chest, sliding the plate in. Squeeze your abs. Your neck, your head just come along with your spine. And slowly slide back down into a straight line, neutral spine. Inhale, float the chest up, shoulder down the back, slide the plate in, widen the collarbones, and slowly release back down. Inhale, extend. Exhale, release. Up and stay. Keep your legs active. Reaching your leg long. Open. Slide one arm out to the side. Slide the other arm out to the side. Turn your head. Follow that plate. Open to the side. Squeeze your glutes. Keep your neck long. Turn your head. Abs engaged. And then you're sliding back down